Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 9th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class. Dear students, we are getting into a new lesson, but the name of the lesson is not unfamiliar. It is very common to you. The name of the lesson is what is surface area and volume, which you have learned in the previous class also. What is new over here is you will be learning about surface area and volume of some new figures. Earlier in class 7 and 8 you studied about the surface area of cuboid, if I remember, then cube, then cylinder, and you also learned about, I think this much you learned. This year you will be learning about cone plus sphere. The figures are increasing, the concept is getting broadened. Okay, surface area and volume. And what is the importance of this? The importance is that we are dealing with three-dimensional figures. What are three-dimensional? This is a two-dimensional figure where you studied about a rectangle. Oh, good. So when you add other dimension, what is this dimension? This is the depth of it. This is the depth to it. So we are considering the third dimension of the given figure. Okay, we call such a situation as three-dimensional figure. So this is a cuboid. It became three-dimensional. More than length and breadth. This is length, this is breadth. When you studied rectangle, now in this situation, this became length, this became breadth, and this is the length on the other side. This became height. When you look in this angle, depth and height are almost same. So that third dimension came. That is what I want to tell you. Third dimension came into existence when you think about volume. Volume, what is the definition of volume when you studied? Anybody remember? Volume is the space occupied. Space occupied is a volume. That is why its unit is in liters, in cubic centimeters, cubic millimeters. Understood? Why? Because cubic meters, length, breadth and height, length, breadth and depth, like that the concept of volume came. Area, no issue, it will be flat. Surface area of a table. Surface area of a table means length into breadth of it. If it is rectangular, if it is circular, you will be using pi r square. From there, now you are going vertically up or in depth or vertically down or coming forward into three-dimensional. Oh, coming forward, three-dimensional movies are there. तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके सामने आ गया. For coming forward, going backward, going up, going down, all these are three-dimensional concept. I think I could, you are in 9th standard, उतना छोटा बच्चा नहीं कि इतना बताना पड़ता है. चलो, first is a revision of what you have learned in previous years about surface area and volume of certain figures. First figure to be considered is cuboid. This is a cuboid. Okay. You can draw the cuboid in many formats. You can put it in another format also if you want. I will show you another what I mean by another format. This someone will be feeling this side is front, the other side is front. All depends upon how we draw it. Okay, I will draw another cuboid. Look. See, this is having another appearance. So cuboid will be a figure having all these. This is a cuboid. Let me write over there. This is a cuboid. Oh. Cuboid. What is the peculiarity? Rectangular surfaces are there. There are 6 surfaces and we are thinking about surface area of this cuboid first. तो 6 surface आना चाहिए. Now we know that if you are thinking about, you can think in many ways. Consider this as length of it. These all are length, all are equal. Consider this as breadth. Then this will be height. Now, if you have to calculate the surface area, there are more than one way. You know that area is nothing but length into breadth. Yeah, length into height. If I just leave top and bottom of this cuboid, this is top, this is bottom, मैं दोनों छोड़ दिया, तो फिर बाकी कितना सरफेस है? There are 4 surfaces. Total is 6. Top and bottom छोड़ दिया. And what is the peculiarity of the 4 surfaces? In that 2 surfaces are same. Correct? That means 2 length. Correct? 2 length is there. Here 1 length. Here 1 length. And then I have to consider 2 heights are there. When you multiply this, I will cover 2 length and 2 height. Understood? So thereby I can get vertical surface, length into height, another length into height. Then I have breadth into height, 1 breadth, 2 height. Which all I covered? I covered this breadth into height, this breadth into height, this length into height, this length into height. So all are same height. 2 length into 2 height, 2 breadth into 2 height. So I can write it in a different way. I can write it in such a 2 into length plus breadth into height, because इधर भी हाइट है, इधर भी हाइट है. क्योंकि वर्टिकल लिया ना मैंने, टॉप बॉटम लिया नहीं, ये वर्टिकल फेसेस लिया. And there are 6 surfaces. What I left aside was length into breadth. इसमें किस्म में नहीं आया. How many are there? That also 2L into 2 breadth. या 2 into L plus B. तो टॉप और बॉटम भी हो गया. टोटल इतना ऐड करेगा. If you add all these, it will become the surface area of the cube. All this means this one and this one, our conclusion. How I will combine all these things? For that, I should see what will be the result of this. I am writing here. This is 2 into, if I think about 2 into, here you can see 2 is common, right? So I will write 2 into LV plus, here it is BH plus LH. This will totally give you the total surface area of cuboid. क्या क्या आया? 2 length, 2 breadth, 2 height, 2 length, 2 height, 2 breadth, 2 height, and 2 length here also, and height. So all those 6 units are covered. Length into breadth, top and bottom, breadth into height, this area and this area, then length into height, the front and the back. What was length into breadth? Length into breadth is the bottom and top. All taken twice. So you should remember, you know this formula from last year. If we think about volume, it becomes easy now. If you think about volume, you should know that it is only the space occupied. If it is space occupied, I have to remove all this what I have done, then only you can go ahead. That help me to wipe out this. Wipe out. Okay. Now I can think about making you understand volume of a cuboid. Again cuboid. Cuboid volume is quite easy. You will consider this length, breadth, height again. So length into breadth was our area. Multiply with height. The space occupied will be obtained. This is the formula for volume of a cuboid. Actually, area into height is volume. That is the simple way of understanding. So area is length into breadth into height will be volume. Remember, area into height is volume. Understood? So this way we will understand the concept of what we say, the surface area and volume of a cuboid. Understood? Let us go ahead. What is the next figure you studied last year? It was a cube. Cube is almost the same, but the difference is that, difference in the sense that, peculiarity is that for a cube the length, breadth, height all are equal, square on all sides. A cube will be having equal length for all. So if I write simply, if I write length over here, this is also length, this is also length, this is also length, all these are equal. अगर मेरा drawing में आगे पीछे so please bear with me, but all these are equal. Put L or B or anything, it is same. Now, if you wish to find out the surface area of ये क्या चीज़ है? This is cube. Sorry, this is cube. Surface area, you need to have 6 surfaces are there, and all surfaces are same. So better find out the area of one surface. Length into length, L square. So 6 into side square. Surface area आ गया. And volume. This is surface area. Volume. You need length into breadth into height, but all are same. So length into length into length, yeah, B into B into B, it became L cube. This also you have studied last year. Now revising what you studied last year. This became the volume of a cube. This is a figure you studied last year. Let us go ahead. Go to a fresh page. This is the next figure you studied, which was named as cylinder. Again a 3-dimensional figure with the circular surfaces on top and bottom with it having its own radius. Circle is identified by its radius, and here it is curved surface, curved like a circle. If you imagine about this, this is the radius over here, this is the height of the cylinder, right? Now, like before, if you are asked to find out the surface area of cylinder now, so you have an area here which is circular, correct? So we can say that it is equal to pi r square into 2 pi r square. What you will get? You will get the surface area of top and bottom. But what about the curved surface area? Oh, curved surface area, which we have not come across normally. There are various ways to prove it and find out, and ultimately last year we reached to a formula to find out surface area of a curved surface area of a cylinder. You should remember that formula. How the formula was derived? We know that if you have a circle, let me draw a circle here, where I will draw a circle. This is a circle, approximately. The circle has got 2-3 properties. One of the property of the circle is that its most important is radius. Another is its diameter. Third one is its circumference. Single word, jagah nahi isliye se likha. So this has got its own circumference, right? This has got its own circumference. And from that circumference there is a height. So circumference raised up. So curved surface area का formula ऐसा हो गया, circumference into height. तो क्या हो गया 2 pi r h. Pi आपको मालूम है, pi is equal to 22/7, which is equal to 3.14, which is a irrational number. मैथ्स का हिस्ट्री बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. रेशनल नंबर. व्हाट इज अ रेशनल नंबर? नॉन रिकरिंग, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर. सो वी गॉट कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए सिलेंडर. टोटल सरफेस एरिया फिर क्या होगा? टोटल नहीं हुआ है ना. वी हैव गॉट टॉप एंड बॉटम एंड कर्व्ड नाउ. तो दोनों को जोड़ना पड़ेगा. कैसे जोड़ेंगे? ऐसे ही जोड़ेंगे. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. What is common in this? 2 is common. Take out. No, 2 pi r is common. 2 pi r इतना बाहर ले लिया. Into इधर एक h है, इधर एक r बाकी है. r plus h. This is the formula for total surface area. साहब नोट करके रख लेना. फटाफट सब में पोस्ट करना है हमको. Total surface area. So we got a cylinder. Its surface area is calculated. One is curved surface area by the formula 2 pi r h. R is radius, h is height, pi is constant. Total surface area calculated by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. We have reached to this stage. Now we need one more cylinder to explain the volume of the cylinder. I will do it for you. मुझे भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट है आपको ये सब समझाने. Okay, I have brought another cylinder for you to make you understand. Surface area is done, just done. Surface area is done. What all done? Top and bottom. Top plus bottom we did by 2 pi r square. Curved we did by अपना 2 pi r h, 2 pi r into h. Total we could do by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. Now what is left is surface area done, volume. Volume of this kind of figure is area into height. वो ऐसा क्यों? There is a circular area, उसको हम ऊपर ले लिया तो वॉल्यूम बन गया. Area is equal to pi r square in this case into h. Oh, very simple हो गया. It is pi r square h. So it is quite easy. You are ready for doing 9.1 exercise before continuing with the next video. That will be done next year. समझा नहीं ना? I think by the time this video reaches to you, maybe midnight of 31st December, and I will give you the next video next year, that is 2021. Wish you all happy new year, and year will be happy when the months are happy. Months will be happy when the weeks are happy, अभी आपको समझ में आया क्या सर बोल के रहे। वीक्स आर हैप्पी व्हेन ऑल डेज आर हैप्पी, डेज आर हैप्पी व्हेन वी डू आवर जॉब, वर्क, ड्यूटी परफेक्टली। काम पेंडिंग रख के किसी को भी अपना डे हैप्पी नहीं कर सकते, वीक हैप्पी नहीं कर सकते, मंथ हैप्पी नहीं कर सकते, ईयर हैप्पी नहीं कर सकते। cannot keep your life happy, cannot keep. So to be happy in every year, you should be happy every day. To be happy every day, you should complete your work every day. So do 9.1 exercise without anybody's help. There are 8 questions and you will enjoy it, and you will find that you understood the way of calculating the surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. And later we will study about cone and sphere in the next video, which will be more interesting. हमको क्रिकेट बॉल का वॉल्यूम एरिया सब फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, थैंक यू.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.